How to listen songs together in long distance relationship. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to listen to songs together in long distance relationships. It's quick and easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you need to have a Spotify premium account. This will enable you to play music on up to 6 devices simultaneously. Although I do not have a premium account, I'll still provide you with step-by-step guide. Once you have a premium account, open the Spotify app on all the phones on which you want to play the music. On one phone, start playing a song. On the other phone, tap on the connect to device button. You should see the name of the phone playing music. Tap on it to connect. This music will now start playing on all the phones. You can now control the playback from any of the phones, for instance, pausing, skipping, or rewinding the music. If you encounter difficulties connecting the phones, try restarting the Spotify app on your phone. You can also use a Bluetooth speaker to play the music on all the phones. This is how to listen songs together in long distance relationship. If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you. See you in the next video.